Understanding Chimney Liners, a guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the term chimney liner. It's a phrase you might come across in everyday conversation, especially when discussing home maintenance or construction. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning behind this common term. A chimney liner, also known as a flue liner, is an important component in the proper functioning of a fireplace. It is a layer that lines the inside of a chimney. Its main purpose is to protect the chimney walls from heat and corrosion, which can occur when a fire is burning. By understanding this, homeowners can ensure their chimney is safe and efficient. There are three primary types of chimney liners. 1. Clay tile liners. These are the most common in older homes and are made from clay. They are inexpensive but may not be suitable for all types of fires. 2. Metal liners. These liners, often made from stainless steel or aluminum, are used to upgrade and repair existing chimneys. 3. Cast-in-place liners. A lightweight, cement-like product that is installed inside the chimney, forming a smooth, seamless, insulated passageway for the smoke and gases. Understanding these types can help homeowners make informed decisions about their chimney care. A chimney liner is crucial for several reasons. It protects the house from heat transfer to combustibles. It increases the efficiency of appliances connected to the chimney. It prevents the chimney from deteriorating over time due to the corrosive byproducts of burning fuel. We hope this video has shed light on what a chimney liner is and why it's so important for your home. Remember, a well-maintained chimney liner is key to a safe and warm household. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.